Let's just double check the lighting onto Molly for a minute, yeah? Because obviously we're moving her away from that background more. So we just need to make sure that the exposure onto the face is our working exposure. I know that we could go ahead and basically fix this in the post by, it's perfect in fact, by increasing just a little bit more. But for a couple of seconds, just to meter and check it, why not bother to do it is my attitude and things really. Okay, let's do it. So you can see now this bubblegum pink is really kind of good. However, if we put both of the lights on, I'll just show you what that light is going to do first. Let's check it. So this is just the group 1 light. So you can see here our kind of bubblegum pink light. It definitely needs to be metered, yeah? Especially if it is going to fall onto Molly in any way. Let me just change to group 1. Check my light in. That's almost F8. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7. So that was 1.7 stops more than the key. Let's shoot just again with just that one light and the bubblegum. And that should give us a much deeper, darker image. But we're really using that image, in fact, as the light to the background rather than the light on Molly. So Molly, you're going to turn your head around towards here. No, perfect posing. Let's do that again. So we're going to go all. That's lovely. And again, keep it. It's beautiful eyes to me. Bring this hand down towards the nickel line just a little bit. Keep it. Flip for me just a little bit. So turn towards the light. That's lovely. It's there. Let's do it. Let's swap hands. So the one hand up towards there. One, there you go. It's gorgeous. And again, spin around for me. So almost going to be laying on your belly. That's good. That's lovely. I like that. And of course, it doesn't have to be the bubblegum pink, does it? You know. Let's just see if we can get that stone one that we had in before to pretty much do a similar thing. Remember, the only difference being is that we really can't put the stone one into the horizontal position, because I've never seen a house built like that yet. Never say never though. Let's do that same shot. Again, let's do it. Keep it. It's lovely. I'm just going to shoot from above. So remember, you've heard me talk about kind of boudoir photography and have the kind of the 4 points to shoot from: the bottom of the bed, the top of the head, from the side, obviously, then actually from above. Let's do it. Keep it. Can we flip around so your head's up here and your feet are up there for me? Do you mind? So at this point, while she's spinning around, I'll just change focus point down to the bottom. That's lovely. Let's do it. Keep it. Mole, can you move up that way up the bed a little bit more? I do like that stonework. It's gorgeous there. Let's do it. Keep it. Eyes to me, darling. It's lovely. Both hands to me. It's gorgeous. Bring this knee up higher. Head towards here. It's gorgeous. And again. Relax. Nice. So, again, we got a double light going on in there. So some really kind of too light, kind of, it's adding more shadow information, of course, which is good. Let's just finish off in the high key as an example for you for a minute. Let's move the bed off set. Thank you, Molly. It is like aerobics, isn't it, at times, kind of thing, you know? At least I feel like I've gone through aerobics class every shoot I do. Dun, dun, dun. Okay, so we're gonna get you, I think. I'm just gonna put this right into the corner. And I'm going to get you stood pretty much here, I think. Means I do have to move the bed again. Molly, if you'd like to come and stand in front of the netting again, please. But this time, I'm going to just shoot with the softbox, yeah? So if I want to switch off the modeling bulb on the likes of the highlight behind, the light in the box behind, as it were, on my meter I can just press the sundial and that switches the modeling bulb on and off. It's not that the modeling bulb will really increase any form of exposure, but you might see at times there's a little bit of yellowing in the background, and that's kind of almost like a a lamp in a room. And obviously just by switching it off, there's obviously no light there at all. Metering though, that would help Clego on. So last shots, Molly, before we go get changed. 5.6.6, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 5, 6, meter again, 4. Okay, let's do the same thing. So looking towards here, a little bit more drama. That's lovely. Remember our compositional space. Let's switch off all now and just go to group 1. So this is just the light. Let's have a look what that looks like. So the first shot you're seeing is with both lights going off, with the actual highlight. This is just that front light. So you can see that some of the light is still spilling onto the actual netting, whereas here it's being burnt out fully. So we're almost into a mid-key style of image, yes? Whereas obviously what we're going to be doing is just, as I said, a transition. Obviously we could turn that background light down more if we wanted some detail in the background, but not it kind of fully off. But in this case, it's going to be fully off for me. Okay, Molly, let's do some shots. Okay, let's bring both hands up towards the hair, looking off towards here, Molly, that's lovely. And again, let's bring both hands down to a garter, looking down to it, that's lovely. Turn the body around towards here. That's it there, let's do it. Keep it. Looking towards the light. Keep it again. Let's turn your back to me, please, and pretend to undo the bra or do it up. That's lovely, it's there. Looking left, please, Molly. Twist the body around to me more. That's lovely. And again, keep it once more. And let's kind of end where we began. So wrap yourself in some of the netting. Just wrap yourself in it fully. That's gorgeous. Keep it there. Turn the head around towards me more. Keep it. It's lovely. Lean into it more for me. 1 second. Let me just move the light. The focus point. Bring this hand to the netting. That's lovely. It's there. Let's do it. Keep it again. Cover yourself fully in it. That's gorgeous. Just looking almost around there. And almost do like a veil, Arab veil. That's lovely. It's there. Keep it. Eyes to me, Molly. Turn the head to me more, Molly. Keep it, darling. Eyes looking down. Eyes looking towards this light for me. And you're done. Excellent. Thank you very much, Molly. Have a little rest, darling. TT, it's me who should have a rest, really. Great. So we'll watch those images coming in, but you can see we've gone from a high-key style of photograph where we're bringing light in from behind or we're bringing some illumination to kind of just bringing in a slightly lower key, but still using the whites and the brights and the lights. And we've still got some light kind of hitting onto the netting. Remember, if we wanted this to go to near black, all we would need to do is move ourselves further and further away from the background, move the light further away from the background so it doesn't spill, and then pretty much you're going to get some great images.